Okay, so this is going to be a brief overview, how-to on doing your experiment and recording your data, or doing it right the first time. All right, running your experiment. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure you know your constants and your independent and your dependent variable. So you need to know your constants as well as your IVs and your DVs. Now remember, this one right here, the independent variable, is the one that you mess with, the one that you change, and the dependent variable is the variable that you measure. So you also want to make sure that you follow your materials and methods. All right, trials. So remember, if you are running trials, multiple trials are required. So a minimum of 3. Now again, you don't want to do an odd number, or excuse me, you do want to do an odd number. You do not want to do an even number, because if you get, let's say you do 4 trials and you get these results. So you get 2 and then 2 here, and then you do the trials over here and you get 4 and 4. So you really don't know if this was the result or this was the result. So always do odd numbers are the best, because they will tend to limit conflicting data outcomes. Again, not every experiment will require multiple trials, but if yours does, you got to do it a minimum of 3 times. All right, so don't forget to record your data in your data table. You don't want to go through all the trouble of getting all the materials and methods together, doing the experiment, and then forgetting to record your data and having to do the whole thing over again. And then also, if you are running multiple trials, remember to average your results in your data table. Hey scientists, so I forgot to add something to this. When you are doing the experiment, make sure to take a lot of pictures of your process. So if you can have someone maybe take pictures of you doing your experiment, take pictures of the materials. We are going to put these pictures on our poster, and it's really going to make it look amazing. So during the experimental process of you doing the experiment, make sure and take a lot of pictures. All right, that's it. See ya.